Oops. Teka lang everyone ah. There's something wrong with my something wrong with my camera options. Come on. Help me fix this. I'll just use the much better. Yan, that's much better. Good. Ganda umaga. Good morning everyone. Let me see. There's a problem. I was changing my settings kasi on the live last weekend because of the seminar. So I just went back to the seminar na settings. It should be okay. Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Daily Grind. Today we're gonna be talking about AXELUM. My thoughts on AXELUM's IPO. While it's early, pwede pa natin pag-usapan yan. Should you get it or not? Yan. So depende po yan, right? We're gonna be that's one of our topics for today. I have a few picks, and speaking of picks, I know natutuwa na kayo sa mga portfolios nyo if ever pinasok nyo po yung mga picks ko kasi tumutubo na, especially si Tugs. Congratulations sa mga nagbodega kay Tugs when I recommended it. Massive growth last Friday. Kaso nga lang nag-pullback ka agad. That's usually bound to happen whenever exaggerated yung galaw. Iba kasi gusto pa mag-ceiling before magbenta, but that should not be the case, diba? Dapat you should take profits whenever you can and never fall in love with the stock. Never hope that it will go ceiling. That's why you sell half. In case mag-ceiling, pwede pa rin. Right? We'll talk more about that. If you have any thoughts about it also, please post it on the comments. Pag-usapan po natin. I have a promotion ongoing. We'll discuss more about that in a while once the audience picks up. Okay? Let me just go to the comments really quick before I go to my picks. Good morning, Joel Ligares. Good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Good morning then. Hello, Sir Lloyd. Morning. From Ben Moneda Jetty. Hello po. Good morning, sir. Good morning then. Nanette Lim. Let me just lower my camera really quick. Yan. Nanette Mill. Good morning. Ben Moneda. Sir, may I ask your insights on LHC? Dapat binindagan nyo sa LHC. I've been recommending LHC past 2 days. I mean, last week, di ba? Thursday ba yun or Friday? And si X naman, for trading, maganda yung maganda yung galaw niya. Let's go to the charts. Let me see if I have this right. Ayun. Nahin natin si LHC. And LHC, recommended it on this green right here. We saw a divergence on that move, so that's why I recommended it here on this green na. And it's starting to go up already. It's already good to go. Pwede nyo na pong badagahin yan si LHC. And then next nyo po inihingi si X. Good volume and price action on last Friday. So that's an engulfing pattern. Yes, it did do a breakout. And I'd say yes, if you are trading this, I don't recommend it. I'm not recommending X because it's against my system. But technical analysis wise, maganda yung galaw niya last Friday. Mukhang hinug na naman for trading si X. Okay? Paulo Aligado, good morning. Sir Lloyd, good morning then. Tommy Escobedo, good morning coach and all viewers. Merry Christmas in advance. Nga pala, September na. Nagsilabasan na yung mukha ni Mr. Jose Marichan. Naging meme yung mukha niya for bear months. And Philippines has one of the longest celebration for when it comes to when it comes to Christmas season kasi, di ba? So, hopefully, huwag niyo po iwawaldas ang pera ninyo, especially 13th month pay. Tinuturo natin lagi, if it's extra, yung mga bonus ninyo, make it work for you, right? Do everything you can para naman makapagtubo yan and you can buy your time. Diba? May post ako niyan last week about yung excuses ng mga tao. Simple lang ang buhay na gusto ko. Diba? Yun yung mga excuses ng mga tao kaya ayaw mag-ipon, ayaw mag-invest, ayaw kumayod, really doesn't want to do much because yun yung sinasabi nila, simple lang ang buhay na gusto nila. Pero wala pong simple sa matanda ka na, 60 years old, 50 years old, nagtatrabaho ka pa rin sa pamilya mo. That's not easy at all. Diba? Having, kung gusto nyo po ng simple na buhay, that's something you want. And yun, the definition of success is being able to do what you want whenever you want to. Have the money, have enough money to buy the time you need, right? And to buy that want na gusto na simpleng buhay. If you want a simple life, you should have income working for you kahit hindi ka po nagtatrabaho. That's simple life, diba? So, yung 13th month pay ninyo, huwag niyo po sasayangin. Please share the video. Paki-share po ang video na ito to your Facebook walls para naman yung mga friends niyo malaman about stock market, and to your trading groups if you have any trading groups para naman ang mga newbies doon malaman nila that there's a program like this that can guide them in their stock market journey, diba? Please do that. Also, may promotion tayo maya-maya before ako mag-discuss ng mga picks ko for today. I will be sharing to you the promotion that I will have. May minimum balance po ba sa eToro? Wala namang minimum balance. You can always have the eToro even if zero ang laman yan. That's not a problem. Okay? Paul Aligado, good morning. Tommy Escobedo, yun, nabasa ko na. BDO po, pakisuyo. BDO has been doing very well as a company. I strongly naiba kasi yung controls ko. Pasensya na if there will be glitches like that. BDO, very good company. Still overall, very good to invest in. Mukhang magte-trend up na naman siya. Volume of PSEI, this is what I want to talk about today. PSEI is looking well. It closed at 7979 last Friday. Even on a Friday, that looks like a reversal. I think aakyat na naman ulit si PSEI. Hopefully this time it will give us a higher high, higher than 8,400 na inabot niya last month, 'di ba? Hopefully we can hit that. With that, BDO, yung request about BDO, I think it's okay to test out BDO for trading, but for investing, long term naman to eh. Kasi ilang beses ko to ni-recommend si BDO dito. Ni-recommend ko si BDO dito. Sabi ko sa mga tao, 120 is already very cheap for BDO and bumaba pa nga. And ayun, this is the perfect time to have bodega BDO. Pasensya na kayo sa halo-halong English tsaka Tagalog. It's already up there, nearing its highs already, but short-term price action, maganda naman yung short-term price action niya. Sige, pwede nyo po i-trade ito. Mga investors dapat dito kayo sa dip pumapasok. Okay? Again, price action for BDO is good for short-term trading. Pwede nyo po testingin yan. Asan na ako? Bumaba bigla yung comments. Paul Aligado, insights on IRC. Let's check out IRC. IRC, good price action. Lately, we have a divergence for IRC. Umakyat siya. This is the pullback we're waiting for, right? We've been discussing last Friday. Nagpo-pullback siya. Antayin po natin yung bounce niya before we wanna test out IRC. So, because we can use that bounce as our support. Our primary support right there. And then the secondary support, yung unang bounce talaga ni IRC. For those who wanna enter IRC. Vid Gore, good morning. Alvin Salgo, good morning din. Ano po tingin nyo kay IDC, SLI, BPI? This is from Vidgore. IDC masyado mataas for me. Alright, if gusto nyo pang basukin si IDC, clearly it's on an uptrend. So, abangan po natin ulit sa MA20. Look at that. Perfect MA20 bounces. Doon po natin inaabangan yan. That's why this is one of my favorite technical analysis. Nakita nyo po yung yellow line na yan. That is where the prices are bouncing. That is where we try to enter it. Okay? Right now, it's forming a flag pattern right here. Right? Mas ang conservative approach nito is waiting for the pullback at MA20, or if it doesn't give us that, at least one lang mag-breakout sa flag pattern nito. That's where you get in for IDC. That's a confirmation na may rally pang nangyayari. But again, konti ingat lang ha. SLI, mga gustong pumasok kay SLI, I don't think it's still gonna go up. Mag-IPO, mag-FOO po si Santa Lucia. So that's bad news for the stockholders. And that happens in the stock market. So baka bumagsak ito si SLI. So I don't want to recommend SLI. I could be wrong. Pwede yan mag-bounce sa MA20, but with the FOO coming up for Santa Lucia, I don't think that's gonna be happening. Leo Vindeselos, good morning sir. Pabati naman si Rolanda and Clarence watching. Alright, good morning Liovin, Rolanda, and Clarence. Good morning po sa inyo. Chris Canilan, good morning Sir Lloyd, watching from Japan. Ohayo gozaimasu po sa inyo. Itadakimasu, ng gutom na ako, hindi pa ako kumakain. Yan ni Pyoka, good morning Sir PHA. Please, thanks si PHA, nag-pull back last Friday, diba? After a very strong move, that's to be expected sa mga gustong pumasok kay PHA. At least man lang on the next bounce. Sa next bounce kasi, meron tayong support kung gusto nyo po i-testing yan. I cannot recommend PHA yet. It's too... Maraming drama ngayon. So, I really don't like that. That makes the stock very unpredictable. So, delikado. Pontino, good morning. Sir Lloyd, good morning din. Maing buntag, Sir Lloyd Palihog. AGI from Marlo Baroro. AGI, looking well si AGI. Past few days movement niya eh. Alright, we have a divergence right here. Starting to pull back, a bounce on this and good price action, a higher low should be the best entry point for AGI. Inabangan ko po yung bounce niyan. I'll be recommending that pag nag-bounce. Si Meg nirecommend ko last week. When was that? On the green, di ba? Nirecommend ko si Meg on this green. Bodegahin nyo na. And there it is. Umaakit na po si Meg. Still okay. Alright. Okay pa rin. Pero medyo naiwan na kayo eh. Kung hindi pa kayo pumasok kay Meg. So, yeah. Overall, still good. I will be recommending Meg for mid to long term naman. So, yeah. Meg is good to enter. Bodegahin nyo pa rin po yan. Jose B, good morning. ARSN Condes. Morning, Sir Lloyd. Now and PHA. Si Now naman. Na Tunaw. Si Now. Mamaya na. Very volatile. Very high risk position for now. I don't want to recommend now yet. I-recommend ko po yan pag hinog na. But for now, hindi. Ilang beses ko na recommend dyan si Now, diba dito, when it was forming this divergence, and it was it was going back to that support, kaso nga lang wala tayo sa daily grind during those days. I would have recommended Now on this support right here, because that's definitely a good divergence support pa rin. We would have been able to ride this. Na-recommend ko sana yan kung nag-daily grind tayo. But right now, it's too high risk already. I don't want to go there anymore. Kung gusto nyo po maging investor, okay lang. Pero ayoko po. So I don't want to recommend it, especially sa mga newbies who are following this program. Good morning, DNL. Si DNL, bodegan nyo lang po yan. Though second quarter niya is negative 15, overall this company is a very good company. Price action is giving us good movement. So, yeah, I'd say DNL is already starting to shoot up. Dapat binobodegan nyo na po yan for DNL. MBT, Boss Lloyd, MBT. We're playing at the support of MBT. Okay naman si MBT. Ang ganda rin ng second quarter earnings. Yeah, Metrobank. Very solid support for Metrobank right now. May support tayo dito. Pag nag-green yan, definitely a buy for Metrobank. Jose B, that's your request. Sir, may buntag pakit JFC, Teway Kaayo. JFC, I'm recommending JFC. Budagahin nyo po yan. It's one of my recommendations for today. Nanette Mills, Sir Ali po. Si Ali, taas na ba si Ali? Di ba? Hindi, bumaba pala. Hindi ko nakamusta si Ali. But yeah, Ali, there's good volume at this level. So, nagbubodega ang mga tao. Earnings-wise, maganda naman yan almost lagi si Ali. There's volume in this support. I'd say, yeah. Pag nag-green ito, that's divergence. Umaakyat na ang support. Nagda-divergence na siya. So far, so good. A bounce would be a good time to buy again, Ali. Sa mga investors kay Ali, this is the time to average down kung medyo mataas ang bilhin ninyo. Pero, for sure, Ali, you've been gaining with Ali already if you've been playing with Ali for a long time. So, positive yan. This is another time to buy Ali. Okay? Time to buy more for Ali holders. Yoni Pioka, Sir, FNI, Bloom, please. Ferronickel, FNI. Yeah, we discussed about FNI last Friday. Diba? FNI last Friday, that's already giving us good price action. So, sabi ko sa inyo, pwede na po ito. Starting to go up already. FNI, yeah, pero medyo high risk na po ito. Mataas na. So, wait for a pullback and bounce if ever hindi pa kayo nakapasok for FNI. Bloom naman, ganda ng galaw ni Bloom. So, hirap saluin ito. Right, it broke its downtrend. So, yes, I guess Bloom is okay. Kung kaya niyo po yung risk na yan, it was a good, it's good entry. Kaso nga lang medyo mataas na eh. So, pull back and bounce. Best entry point for Bloom. That's a confirmation na okay na si Bloom. Okay? After this strong downtrend. Hintayin lang natin mag-support ng bongga si Bloom before nyo pasukin. Renatado, Wayne Wuntag, Sir Lloyd, SMPH, Meg. SMPH is it in my recommendations for today? So, I'm recommending SMPH for today. Discuss ko po ang technicals later. Bakit ko nare-recommend sa SMPH for today? Dapat sinasama ko dito si Ali, right? Bodega Ali, right? I'm adding Ali for my recommendations for today. Good find, Nanette. Lim for Ali. Getting better. Nanette is one of my students. Good morning, Sir Lloyd from South Korea. Good morning po sa inyo. Becca Tangan, good morning, sir. Any thoughts po sa LHC? We just discussed LHC. Pwede pang bodegahin si LHC. Overall, did recommend that here and starting to go up already. So, congratulations sa mga pumasok when I recommended it. LHC, DNL, and ISM. DNL. Yeah, we covered DNL already. Pwede rin bodegahin na yan. That's a good company. ISM, congratulations. Na-recommend ko sa ISM last Friday. And 5% gain. Pwede na mag-take profits yung mga chupitero. Diba? 4.46 gains kay ISM last Friday. So, congratulations sa mga pumasok kay ISM. This is good price action for ISM. It closed above the MA20. So, that's a swing for us. So, mga pumasok when I recommended it, most probably, we are in for a good ride on the trend. Possible reversal po yun. So, congratulations. Right now, kung pwede pa bang habulin, medyo mataas pa yung galaw niya. So, most probably, your support is gonna be very high risk already. Best is to wait for a pullback and bounce. Pero sa mga long-term kay ISM, it's already a good time to add more. Okay? Sa mga long-term kay ISM. Time to add more. Wala po tayong pakialam sa magkano ibababa niyan. Kung long-term tayo, kung bababa yan, the better. Because we could buy more. Okay. Any thoughts about marine cable issue? Yan ang hindi ko pa nababasa. Pasensya na. Last night lang naka-discharge yung family member namin na hospital. So, it wasn't really available over the weekend. And nag-seminar po tayo last Saturday. So, medyo na-busy po. JR, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Insights for C. We'll be starting the discussion at around 8:40 in the morning. Again, guys, please share the video. Share po ang video para mas marami pong viewers. Mas marami po tayong matutulungan. Mas marami tayong classmates. Si C, this is a flag pattern right here. Pag nag-breakout yan, yes, definitely a buy for C if you wanna enter C. Okay? Nauna lang siya umakyat kay ISM. Pero si ISM sumunod naman sa pag-akyat. Yan, si C, pag nag-breakout yan, that's a good entry point for C. Crypto Agent, good morning. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. May minimum balance po ba sa eToro? Even if zero, pwede niyo pong gamitin ang eToro niyo. Okay? Yan, Rafael Arcadine, what's your say on All-Home IPO? That was my topic last Friday. Please watch the video. Last Friday, pinag-usapan po natin yan. Right, i-replay niyo po, Rafael Arcadin, okay? JJ Moore, good morning po, MPI and SEC-B po. MPI and SEC-B, MPI is in my recommendations for today. SEC-B, all-time 52-week high po yan. I don't wanna recommend it there. Dito po, this is why I've been teaching you the MA20, what they call this, technical analysis after Bollinger Band triggers, tags. MA20 is the best entry point. Diyan po natin pinapasok. Huwag po diyan sa taas. Okay? Never enter there, please. Gone Freak, sir. Good morning po. TBGI. Thank BGI. Thank PGI. Wala pa. We don't have a clear bounce for TBGI yet. So, we're not sure if this is a good pullback already. Let's see. Pag nag-green yan, most probably is a good entry point for TBGI. Raymar Mariano, good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Good morning then. Uy, it's my daughter's birthday tomorrow. So, advanced happy birthday to my daughter Laika. Mr. M, good morning, Sir Lloyd. And Ma'am Apple, tanong ko lang sana, Sir Lloyd, about AXELUM. Pwede bang mag-buy ng share kaagad at maipasok yung account mo sa 2Trade Asia kahit wala pang listing? Salamat. Yes, pwede po yan if ever may 2Trade Asia account na kayo. You just inform the brokers kasi mag-i-email naman yan sila about that. So you can buy. Right? We'll be talking about AXELUM later on if it's good to buy the IPO of AXELUM. Okay? Kaloy, 62, good morning, Idol. LHC or MF lang? Mutual fund na lang. If you can trade on your own, mag-trade na lang kayo on by yourself. Diba? Kaysa mag-MF. MF is for those who really do not have time for trading. And if you're gonna go for mutual funds, wag po sa Philippines na mutual fund. Right? I wanna share to you this. Go for eToro's funds. Ang dami pong funds sa eToro, mas maganda ang galaw. Right? Let's, for example, ito yun eh. On this right here, this is copy portfolios. These are mutual funds created by eToro. Isa sa mga paborito ko po is food and drinks. 33% for this year. Dito na lang po kayo mag-mutual fund kung gusto nyo po. Right? I want to recommend this food and drinks. One of my favorite mutual funds. I've been recommending this last month pa. So, kung pumasok kayo this month, 4.39%. I mean, July ko ito nire-recommend. Then August, 4.34% growth this August. Daig pa ang isang taon na growth ng mutual fund dito sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? This is the best mutual fund I can give you guys. Food and drinks, invest $2,000 nga lang ang minimum dito. This is the disadvantage, but growth wise it's much better than the mutual funds here in the Philippines. Ito isa si food and drinks, ang isa sa paborito ko, and beat Nasdaq. Outsmart Nasdaq. Outsmart Nasdaq. Growth ni Outsmart Nasdaq, medyo maliit siya for August. Kaya paborito ko yung si food and drinks kasi food and drinks, the companies in there are international kasi. So, hindi siya affected gaano sa gulo sa sa trade war. So yeah, 20% for this year already for Outsmart Nasdaq. So this is a much better mutual fund for you. $2,000, $5,000 pala for Outsmart Nasdaq. Kaya gusto ko po yun si food and drinks kasi $2,000 lang. So I recommend that if mag-mutual funds po kayo. Because if you wanna check out food and drinks na portfolio, anong laman nito? If you wanna check it out, that's Coke, Pepsi, McDonald's, Starbucks, General Mills, Domino's Pizza, Chipotle, Dr. Pepper. But these are very good companies when it comes to food and drinks. Pero tingnan nyo po yan. For this year, Coke, $17.55. If makapag-travel po kayo all over the world, you'll see how big Coke is. Kahit saan po may Coke. And also Pepsi, right? And McDonald's and Starbucks. These top 4 companies are amazing to invest in. So, strongly recommend this if mag-mutual funds po kayo. Right, sa eToro na lang. Speaking of eToro, please create an eToro account using my link. Meron po akong promotion para sa inyo. Right, in line with my seminar last weekend, meron po akong promotion kasi we will be giving, the channel will be giving, and so, para klaro yung pimple ko. The channel will be giving out 8 winners of tig to 2,500 each, right? 2,500 pesos in cash po yan. And we will be sending it to your bank account if you win. Okay? The first 2 winners are those who joined, not really joined the seminar last weekend, but who will be creating an account this month. Paunahan po yan, and sinong una mag-fund sa account nila using my link. It's important to use my link. This is only available to those who created the account using my link. So first 2 who created this month and funded this month. Yan, first 2 po yan. The next 6 is every week. For the next 3 weeks, we will have 2 winners, random. Right, for those who haven't funded their account yet and created who have created the account using my link. So under my link lang po, even if you created it before September, August, July, but if you fund your eToro account this week or the second week or the third week, you are eligible to join. Pero mas maganda po if magsimula na po kayo mag-fund this week, because next week, next Monday, on our daily grind, we will have a live draw for those who will be funding their account. Okay? So, nakapag-fund ng account nila for this week, next week, you will have a chance to win. To join the seminar, all you need to do is share nyo po yung seminar video ko, right? Go to Financial Freedom 101, and let me just go to Financial Freedom 101 really quick. And yung seminar video po natin, tulungan nyo po ako. This is the purpose of the promotion. Tulungan nyo po ako para makatulong at makapag-inform pa po ng mas maraming Pinoy. This video, tanggalin ko lang ito para hindi magulo. I will unpin this really quick. unpin from top of page. And ipin ko po yung seminar video, okay? So, in Financial Freedom 101 page, you have to like the page, and then ito po ang pinaka-importante, kahit hindi nyo lang i-like ang page ko, but I hope you do. Share this video. Ito po yung seminar natin this weekend, How to Get Rich in the Stock Market, How to Invest in the Stock Market po yan na seminar. Everything a newbie needs to know about stock market when they start in the stock market. So, this is our vision, and this is our goal to educate more and more Filipinos, and as much as possible, we want it to be free. So, free po itong seminar na ito. Everything they need to know about stock market. So, please share this on your walls. Yan po yung number 1 na requirement. And then number 2, you have to have an eToro account using my link. And kung makapag-fund po kayo this September, you are eligible. So, mga first-time funding lang. So, mga nakapag-fund na noon, pasensya na hindi na po kayo kasali doon. Right? But, yung mga hindi pa nakapag-fund, first-time funders for this month, you will be eligible for the draw. Right? Once you have created the account, once you have created the account and then nakapag-fund na kayo, go to this link. I'll be posting it on the comments. Also, andyan po yan sa video description. Nasa video description po, ilagay ko na rin po sa post yung promotion na registration link. Just click on that, and then hihingi po yan ng name, email, and phone number po ninyo, and your eToro username ng account po ninyo para ma-check po natin if valid po yung ginawa nyo account, if it's under my link. And ma-verify ko po with eToro if nakapag-fund na po kayo. Okay, hindi ko po naman malalaman magkano yung ifa-fund nyo, but minimum po dyan is $200 USD. So just register. Once you click on the registration link, you're gonna see this. It's gonna ask for your email, phone number, and eToro username and date funded lang, just for further confirmation. And then once we verify that, then we'll be sending you on Monday, every Monday for the next 3 weeks, magkakaroon po na tayo ng draw. This is to inspire those who watch the video and who's watching the video to really fund and start investing. Sana po yung ipapadala po namin na 2,500, i-fund nyo po sa account ninyo. Tulong na po yan pang additional na funds ninyo. Okay? Pwede nyo po yan i-copy trade. Okay, let's continue. We're gonna go to our discussion really quick. Yung discussion topic for natin po ngayon is my thoughts on AXELUM. Should you buy the IPO or not? Okay? Should you buy AXELUM IPO or not? Depende. Right? Again, I will always tell you this. What is your purpose in getting into the stock? Diba? If IPO po yan, most probably you're in it for investing. Kung short-term gains po ang gusto ninyo, wag po kayong pumasok sa IPO niya. Okay? Wag po kayong pumasok sa IPO niya if short-term gains ang hanap ninyo. Kasi wala tayong technical analysis. We don't really know for sure ano ang igagalaw niya. The moment you enter on IPO hoping for short-term gains, 50-50 po yan. You're gambling. Okay? You're gambling during that on that moment. So you don't really know what you're doing. 50-50 po natin ang 50-50 po ang chances natin diyan. Even if it's a good company, pwede pong bumagsak yan tulad ni DMW, di ba? Kung sasabihin nyo, baka matulad kay KPPI, naging ganun lang naman kay KPPI because of the backdoor rumors ni KPPI, kaya nagsiling-siling yon, right? And ngayon, tingnan nyo, ang dami nang naipit. So yeah, know what your purpose is. If you're an investor, kung plano nyo mag long-term KPPI, I'd say yes, buy it. It's a very good company. Go to the Billionaires Club. Merong nag-post which is very helpful. I put it up. I upped it up and siguro i-add ko ito. So, Janine, this is the post of Janine Malikdem Avila. So, this is the financial solve figures in AXELUM. Nothing to be, hindi naman siya gaanong inviting really for short-term gains, but the company itself is very good, right? This is what I want you to invest in if you really support the Philippines. These are the companies we should be investing in. Also, diba? Dapat tinutulungan natin. So, I'd say yes, tulungan niyo po si AXELUM as a company. Ang ganda po ng company. There is posts right here for their numbers if you're after the numbers, but I usually are up to the after the vision and the purpose of the company. And sa comments, meron po dito isa si Joseph Mendoza. Meron po siyang mas magandang mga insights for AXELUM. Meron diyang lagay niyo po click niyo po ito, more reviews about AXELUM, and there's videos for AXELUM about Red V Foods. Tingnan niyo po yan so that you'll know better. And if you watch it, decide if you want to help the company. Invest in it because you want to help the company, right? Do not secondary na returns. Ang ganda ng company nito. So yes, that's my thoughts on it. Returns wise, I think yes, it's gonna be a good company. I don't think it's gonna be blue chip anytime soon. So yung mga na IPO IPO and kasi baka blue chip and maging malaking company kaagad. Hindi po ganun ang insights ko, but I want you to invest in it to help the company. Kasi ang ganda po ng company, ang ganda ng tinatutulungan nila dito. The coconut industry in the Philippines, farming industry, fishing industry in the Philippines really need help, right? And yeah, that's the real purpose of investing. Yan po yung dahilan bakit may mangingisda.org is really to invest in these kinds of industries, di ba? Yung mangingisda.org, ang daming nag-invest. Wala pa ngang fundamentals yun, di ba? Wala pa tayong napapakita na earnings. But we are very thankful na maraming na-invest because they want to, secondary na po yung earnings and you want to help the industry. Diba? So that's my take on AXELUM. Check these numbers out para makita nyo po. So far, maliit lang kasi yung sample maliit lang kasi yung sample years na ma-check natin. 2016, this is in thousands, alright? So 533,000, 500,000. So maliit lang siya na company, but needs your help. These are the companies we should be helping. So investing wise, because of the purpose, yes, I'd say help the company. Bilhin niyo po yung IPO niya, but don't expect big gains right away. Mas i-recommend ko pa sila mas i-recommend ko pa yung sila MPI, sila BDO kung gusto niyo po mas maganda ang gains. Okay? Because those are more fundamentally sound. But here, because of the company's purpose, yes, I will invite you to invest in AXELUM that way. So far, maganda naman yung fundamentals niya. Kaso nga lang at a small scale of a company. Diba? So, yeah. Buy it for investors for short-term gains purpose. Wag po. Okay? Know your purpose in investing the company. So, that's my take on AXELUM. I'm gonna go back to our recommendations. Tingnan ko lang muna ang mga comments. Mark Adriano, good morning Sir Lloyd. Ganda ng PIP saka EEI ngayon. Salamat sa recommendation mo. Yes, last week, was that Friday, di ba? Number 1 sa picks ko si PIP, di ba? So PIP, last Friday, congratulations sa mga pumasok when I recommended it. And ganda ng akyat. That's instant 6.74 gains sa mga pumasok kay PIP. Congratulations. EEI, I think that was Friday. This was the buy signal of EEI. I recommended it. Sabi ko sa inyo, yun yung paborito ko for that day, si EEI. And there it is, umabot ng 13% gains kaagad. So, congratulations pumasok kay EEI. Kay Tags, recommended it. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Tags. So, this is the trading strategy I always teach you. Guys, wait for possible reversals. Doon po tayo sa baba maglaro. Abangan po natin sa baba, especially the good companies. That's what I usually do. Especially good companies. Ang ginagawa ko lang po sa good companies is hantay ako ng magandang dip at kung bumaba palalo, I just keep buying more. Because if it's a good company, it will correct itself. Okay, as long as the company is doing well. That's a much better trading strategy kaysa sa yung parang talon tayo ng talon na ibang stocks. Okay? So, I hope you are learning in the daily grind, right? Hindi lang po nagsuspoon feed ako ng recommendations, but natututunan nyo po yung strategy, how to do it the future by yourself. That's what we really want to do. Okay? Recommendations for today, ito po, si CEB, MRSGI. I'll post it in the comments. MPI, East West, CLI, SMPH, and then ibodega nyo po si NRCP and GFC. Okay, so CEB, my number 1 pick for today. Hindi naman paborito kasi it's a breakout. I usually do not like breakouts above, But there's good volume, hindi po natin maiiwasan na ma-recommend yan. There's good volume in it and nag-breakout po siya. Breakout strategy for CEB plus the volume. I'd say yes, CEB is catching momentum, especially that ang ganda ng second quarter earnings nila. Sabi ko sa inyo, ito yung inaabangan ng market, yung mga earnings nila for the first half. That should invite more investors to come, and CEB did not disappoint. And there it is. Nagsisimula na umakyat si CEB. MRSGI. I'm recommending MRSGI for today. Good second quarter earnings. This is a good company. Yeah, I'd say MRSGI is already a buy. Okay? Bakit andyan si MRSGI? I think na-recommend ko na to sa MRSGI on this first green. Diba? So, tanggalin ko lang sa MRSGI para mas konti lang yung list ako. Okay. I already recommended that a few days ago. MPI. Si MPI. I'm recommending MPI for today. I was waiting for MPI to do the bounce. And dito na yung bounce niya kahit pula na. So if you wanna be a better trader, mas maganda if panoorin mo yung market, abangan mo sa MA20 talaga. Because this was the best entry point kahit pula yan on that day. Okay? Kasi kung nakapasok kayo dyan sa MA20, ang ganda na ng gains nyo ngayon kay MPI. From that point to this point, that's already plus 3% gains already. Pero yun, iba sa atin, hindi naman nakakapanood ng full time. But yeah, MPI is already a buy today. Nag-aabang ako ng green yan. There's the green. And I'm recommending it again. After this MA20 bounce, continue na po yung trend niya, most probably. Use MA20 as your support. Medyo high risk na siya ngayon. So, konting ingat lang po. As much as possible, get in near MA20 as much as you can for MPI. EW, right, may bulong ako sa inyo. Rumor, EW is gonna be doing a merger. It's not yet verified. It's just a rumor. And ang alam ko po is BPI ang papasok sa kanila. Kukuha sa kanila. Mag-merge sila. So most probably, they're gonna be in one with BPI. That's good for East-West. And the rumor is still very good since nasa baba pa po si East-West. Right? Unahan ko na po kayo. EW. Rumors-wise, right? It's not verified, rumor lang, but overall, maganda naman ang numbers ni East-West for the second quarter, even first quarter this year, maganda po ang takbo ni East-West. So, that should be a factor in itself that you should get in. Kakaptapos lang ng downtrend niya, plus the rumor. I say yes, this is the perfect time to test by EW. Testingin nyo lang po yung rumor. Hindi pa kumakalat yan. Kayo po unang makakarinig yan from me. So, yeah. Yan yung isa sa mga paborito ko ngayon sa East-West because of the rumor plus the position. CLI, Subulan Masters, ito po yung isa sa mga paborito kong stocks. Recommended CLI here, dito sa baba, and it's been climbing very good already, and bumaba na naman po siya. Now, East-West is on a CLI is on a downtrend, but we have good price action here already. It's already a buy for me, especially it's a good company. Ang style ko po dito is magbodega ng mga bodega. For me, aggressive is okay. But if you're a conservative trader, pwede po mag-antay ka ng breakout from that downtrend before kayo pumasok. But it's already a buy for me as far as my system goes. Okay na yan sa CLI sa akin. Next is SMPH. SMPH. Kala ko walang wala nakikita sa screen. SMPH, volume is picking up again already for SMPH. Right? So, makikita nyo po dyan, tumataas ang volume ni SMPH at this level. Attempted to break the MA20 yesterday. We have good price action. We have good support for SMPH already. Perfect dip for SMPH sa mga long-term kay SMPH. This is the perfect time to buy more. And sa mga traders, I'd say, yeah, use this line as your support for SMPH. Pwede na nyo testingin yan. Bodega kay JFC, good price action for JFC. Broke MA20, na-break niya yung downtrend niya. Good price action. Overall, healthy yung movement ni JFC naman. And Ali, bodegahin nyo po si Ali. Right? Bodega meaning if kahit bumaba po yan, bilhin nyo lang po ng bilhin. Okay? So those are my recommendations for today. I'll go back to the comments. Alright. GN007, Sir Primex. Si Primex ang ganda ng galaw eh. One of my technical analysis, sabi ko sa inyo, constricted Bollinger Bands engulfing. And then there it is. Nag-support si Primex. And then once it hit support, that should have been our buy point. And then there it is. Umakyat na si Primex. Let's check out the risk of Primex. So it's at away from MA20, it's negative 3% already. Overall, I'd say yeah, Primex is good. Okay na ito si Primex, pwede niyo na pong bilhin yan si Primex. Make sure lang na you plan your entry. Medyo high risk na yan kasi nakalipad si Primex last Friday. Yeah. MRC, recommended MRC here sa, no, we talked about recommended MRC on this pullback and bounce last Friday. And there it is, umakyat na si MRC. Meron tayong possible resistance. Dapat last Friday pinasok si MRC. So this is gonna be challenging for MRC, but overall, mukhang magsisimula pa lang naman ang trend nito. Best if you wait for a pullback and bounce. Okay? Or you can get in near the support as much as possible. Medyo challenging na yung entry kay MRC. M-wide is near the resistance. Inabangan ko po mag-breakout yan. Pag nag-breakout, definitely get in M-wide. Ang daming projects ni M-wide ngayon. Look at the volume already. Kahit negative yan si M-wide. Right? Wait for the breakout. That's the best entry point. At least may support po kayo. Or you can buy here and then buy more sa support. This is already cheap for MY. This is a good company. Aggressively, you can get in, but mas maganda po mag-breakout yan. At least may solid base po kayo for trading. So, forgot, I'm talking to newbies. Most of you are newbies. So, best follow breakout strategy. Okay. Let me correct that. Breakout strategy for MY. Or if it goes back to support and bounces at support, then definitely you buy here sa support niya. Okay? That's for M-wide. Monrion. Good morning po. Ano po effect ng disclosure ng CPG? Thank you. May disclosure bala si CPG? Hindi ko alam. Sorry. Not really updated right now. 6 to convert 3 billion common shares into preferred shares. Uy, ang ganda nito. And that means, wow. This might make CPG go up. Kasi supply and demand, 3 billion ang tatanggalin nila sa common shares nila, gagawin lang preferred shares. So, mag-share buyback ito sila na napakarami share, iba buyback. This is gonna be good for CPG, right? Congratulations sa mga nagbodega kay CPG. One of my favorite stocks right now. So, yeah. I think baka umakyat si CPG dahil dyan. Okay? CPG, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pasilip po ng FLI. We talked about FLI. Kailan ba yun? Asan na yun? Yan, FLI. Right, talked about FLI during this green right here kasi may divergence na tayo. And there it is. Yeah, I'd say bodagahin niyo po yun sa FLI. Habang mas maganda sana if FLI will pull back and do a bounce. That's the best entry point for FLI. Medyo mataas na yung risk na FLI. So, abangan mo na lang yan. Mas maganda yun. If not, huwag niyo po habulin yan. If ever, hindi niyo po kaya yung risk. Clarence Bautista, good morning, Sir Lloyd. DMC, definitely. Na-recommend ko si DMC the past few days kasi, di ba? On the support. With the news of DMC over the weekend about President Rodrigo Duterte na susuportahan niya, DMC will be one of the companies that will be benefiting sa mga future projects. Recommended DMC here. Sorry. I recommended DMC here. I'd still recommend DMC. Right? Mag-green yan. Pag nag-green yan, pasukin nyo na po sa DMC. Hindi ko lang malagay sa recommendations ko ngayon kasi wala pang green. I already recommended DMC here. Diba? Na-recommend ko yan sa bounce na yan. And I'd say yes, it's still a buy. Good divergence for DMC. Still a buy. Hafa Aday, good morning from Macau. Primex, please. Good morning, Hafa Aday. Primex, we talked about Primex already. DJ Kahayon, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Insights naman po for kay ISM for long-term investors. Definitely still a buy. I'm still holding on to my ISM stocks. It's for long-term. Di ko lang tinitingnan. Kasi naka-long-term naman yan. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Laika, MPI, Meg, MPI. One of my recommendations for today, si Meg. Bodegahin niyo lang po yan si Meg. Still a bodega recommendation for Meg. Pogi ako. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Gio po. Mustahin natin si Gio. Time check, it's 9:01. So, si Gio nag-pull back pa. Let's see what will happen in the future. Let's see at MA20 kung mag-bounce siya. Okay, DJ Kahayon. Sir Lloyd, what's your insights with ISM for long term? Ay, nabasa ko na yan. Nag-comment ulit na doble ni DJ. Aris de la Peña. Good morning, sir. CHP, more power. And God bless. Thank you so much. CHP. CHP, ang ganda ng galaw So, it broke its short-term downtrend. So, you have a support right here. Kung kaya nyo po itong risk na ito, pwede pang pasukin. Kaso nga lang, medyo mataas na eh. For traders, I want you to start trading. Antayin nyo po yung pullback and bounce. Pag nag-bounce yan, that will be your support to enter. Okay? Tommy Escobedo, Coach, makisuyo ulit. FB, San Miguel, good to Bodega. Puba, yes, definitely. FB is a good company to Bodega. Yung nga lang, yung second quarter earnings niya, medyo nag-negative kaya sentiments ng mga investors bumagsak eh. I will recommend magbodega kay FB kung meron na siyang base. Right now, wala pa tayong base kay FB. That's why I'm not recommending it yet. Sabihin ko pa sa inyo kung pwede na magsimula magbodega. But for now, not yet. Okay? Medyo sharp pa rin yung pagbagsak niya. GFC, Alvin Salgo, GFC, bodega lang. Beyond Meat, one of the favorite companies ko out in the international market. Beyond. Mustahin natin ang chart ni Beyond Meat. Nasa resistance si Beyond Meat. Previous resistance na dito. Drop after that and then started to go up. Nagpo-pull back eh. Let's let it pull back and maybe on a breakout, right? Maybe on a breakout or pull back and bounce for Beyond Meat. Mamaya na tayo pumasok kay Beyond Meat. Malapit mahinog yan. Okay? KFC. Wala po si KFC sa Wala po si KFC sa eToro eh. APPL. Si Apple na lang. AAPL po yan kay Apple. Kay Apple, Apple kasi is one of the most affected stocks when it comes to trade wars. Tuwing may trade war news, bumabagsak si Apple. So, I'm really shaky about Apple. Though, meron silang bagong phone na lalabas, so that might be good for Apple. Meron naman tayong trend line dito. You can follow the trend line. Kasi nga lang nagta-triangle si Apple eh. Too shaky for me right now si Apple. I can't say because of the trade wars. I don't want to recommend trading this stock while trade wars is going on. Kasi very unpredictable po siya because of the trade wars. So I don't want to recommend it. Salas, good morning coach. Pwede pa po ba pumasok kay Meg this time? Pwede pa po. Pwede nyo po ibodega yan. That's a very good pullback for Meg. Jumpos, First Metrosec, sir. Ayos lang bang broker? Yes, maganda rin naman si First Metrosec. Pares lang sila ng platform ni 2Trade Asia. So, very good platform din sa First Metro. Eric Tango, sir, good morning. What is your schedule for a live chat? Gusto mo makipag-chat sa akin? Live chat. I'll do my best I can. You can send me a message anytime. I'll do my best to answer. Send nyo po sa Facebook page ko po. Chat nyo po ako. I'll do my best. Hindi ko po ma-promise sa inyo if I can accommodate live chat yet, but we can set a meeting for that. Let me know what your issue is, okay? So that we can set a meeting after. Eric, ayan, tapos na kay Eric. Swiss Miss, pwede po bang buy sa PPG, sir? PPG. What we're seeing kay PPG is lower highs, so delikado po si PPG. I don't want to recommend it yet. Maybe on a support here. That's a possible support for PPG. Diyan po natin pasukin si PPG to test buy. And then just cut loss if ever mali. Good morning from Maryland, from Richard Rivera. Good morning po. May Forex po ba kayo? Hindi pa ako nag-trade ng Forex ngayon, but you can trade Forex in eToro. Right? I have one of the best traders. I recommend this guy for you. Kung gusto niyo pong magkopya ng Forex trader, si Olivier Danvel. Yeah, this guy is trading Forex and is pretty consistent with his Forex trading. Ayan po yung stats niya. August, 2.12% po yung gains niya. He's trading Forex. Kung gusto niyo po, this is a very low risk copy. So I want you to diversify. Especially right now, I'm having nahihirapan po ako sa eToro because of I'm focused more on stocks. Yung mga nag-excel sa eToro ngayon, andun sa Forex, andun sa commodities. Ako nasa stocks, so I'm really affected with the trade wars. Kaya medyo negative po ako the past few months. Olivier Danville, very good in trading Forex. Kaso nga lang, low risk, low return siya. So, at least diversify into that. At least make sure growth kayo na, Al Nayef yun. Al Nayef. This guy is trading Forex and has been doing very well in his Forex trades. Medyo negative siya for July. 2018, 35% po yung gains niya. He's trading Forex. Medyo nahihirapan din pala siya no August. So, almost break-even lang siya sa August. But yeah, this guy, strongly recommend Olivier Danvel. So, mga gustong maghanap ng mga gustong i-copy trade, Olivier Danvel, very consistent guy. Strongly recommend it for your, for sure, at least mas sure na gains. Okay? Kahit mahina. But 18% last year, 16% 2017. That's not bad at all. That's very good growth already. Okay, Aries, nilapin niya, sir, magkano po ba fund sa eToro sa peso at papaano po? Ang fund na eToro sa peso is around, kung magkano ang dollars, di ba? Right now, 52, let's say 53 lang, just to be safe. Minimum first time na deposit is $200 po. $200, so that's around 10,400. Diba? Yeah, 10,400 pesos. Yan po ang initial. And pwede po kayong, ang ginagamit ko po is Metrobank, pinakawalang hassle. Metrobank, debit card. Ang ginawa ko lang is I just went to the counter and pinatanggal ko lang yung daily limit na transaction ko sa Metrobank. Kasi may daily limit yun eh. Yun rin yung isang limit na nahihirapan ng mga tao with their debit card. Or Paymaya. Pinakamaganda po si Paymaya. Napakabilis. Create a Paymaya account and then kuha po kayo, i-verify nyo lang po para makakuha kayo nung parang credit card nila, prepaid credit card which is digital. Bibigyan po kayo ng Paymaya dyan and then use Paymaya. At least punta lang kayo ng 7-Eleven, M. Lulier, din Palawan, naglo-load din ng Paymaya eh, diba? So, dun nyo lalagyan ng pera and then use the Paymaya card to load up your eToro. Okay? Again, guys, yung promotion ko, sa mga hindi pa alam, promotion for those who will be funding their accounts this September, we will be getting 2 random winners every Monday. Okay? So, next Monday po, this is the start of September. Next Monday, live po during our daily grind, mag-draw po tayo ng winner. So this is only for first-time funders and you have to share the seminar we had last week. Yung about how to get rich in the stock market. I-share nyo po yan and then fund your account. You're eligible for the promotion. 2,500 pesos po yan papadala po namin sa inyo. Hopefully, i-deposit nyo po sa eToro ninyo at invest nyo po. M. Gatdula, Coach, good morning. Kindly check tags. Please see tags. I-missed opportunity na po yan. Medyo mataas na po. Sabi sa inyo, bodegahin nyo na si tags dito. Doon ko po siya ni-recommend. Sorry. So, masyado mataas na po si tags. I don't wanna recommend it today. Okay? Nagpo-pullback pa siya. Baka magtuloy-tuloy yung pullback niya. Huwag po kayong maiinggit. Okay? Wait po ng magandang pullback at bounce for tags. Okay? Baka mag-stabilize pa yun sa tags. If it's a missed opportunity, stay away from it already. LHC, may tanong for LHC. LHC, budagahin nyo lang po yan. Recommended it last week and starting to go up already. Recommended it on this green. Umakit na siya. Pwede pa po. Nickel po, Sir Lloyd, anong effect nun? Bakit ban na nickel sa Indo? Hindi ako updated dyan. So if that's bad news, most probably it's gonna affect the nickel industry. So baka bumagsak yan. So konti ingat lang kay nickel. Okay? If it's bad news. May forex session ba kayo? Sir, meron palang tanong dito. May forex session ba kayo, sir? Oh. Wala akong forex section but we have a session for live day trading. Hindi lang po sa forex, right? Day trading, we have sessions for day trading. Punta po kayo sa group na ito. I'm one of the admins here. Team eToro Pilipinas. So search for team eToro Pilipinas. Team eToro Pilipinas. Okay, so once in, you try to join. Pag naka-join na po kayo, one of our admins here is the more active one doing day trading sa ang minimina po nila is gold and commodities, right? Basically commodities, right? This is what they're doing in the this is what they day trade. check this out. They do, the team does, hindi they, we do live videos habang nagta-trade po para makita nyo po yung system that it's working, and it's for free. Okay? These are the students right here. Jerwin Borrell, he's practicing in his virtual port, and if you can see, he's already gaining in his virtual port on using the strategy that we are teaching. So yeah, check this team out, right? Andito po more information, what to look for, factors affecting gold prices, kasi yun yung grabe dine-day trade ng Team eToro Pilipinas. So join this group. This is gonna be very helpful for you guys. One of these days, we're gonna have a live trading session in Billionaires Club with Jed. I-invite ko po si Jed so we can do it here in the sa Billionaires Club naman. Okay? Join this group, okay? Please join the group. This is gonna be trading in eToro, so please create an eToro account. A little request from my end, please make sure you use my link when you create the account. That helps the channel very much. And makaka-join po kayo sa promotion if you use my link. Okay, Oliver de Guzman, LHC, Nickel po, Sir Lloyd, nabasa na pala natin yan. Omi Aurelio, good thing about AXELUM is a true Filipino company and I want to see it grow in their IPO for expansion, not to pay debt. Totoo po yan. Right? That's one of the reasons why you will invest in a company if you want to support the company. Hindi po dahil sa gains. Kasi kung gusto nyo po gains lang, kaya kayo pumapasok sa IPO, doon na lang kayo sa ibang companies na maganda. So, recommend ko na lang. mas kikita pa kayo doon for sure. But we invest in the company because we want to support the company. We want to believe in the company. This is a good company to invest in. One of the good companies you can help. Jason Yabaw, Sir Lloyd, ano po name nyo sa eToro? Gusto po mag-copy trade sa inyo. Bazar po ang name ko sa eToro. You can search for this. Mataas na po ba average price nyo sa eToro, sir? Para mag-wait po ako, new entry. Hindi pa. Actually, napakaliit pa. My port size is around 5,600 right now, 5,700, and na-allocate ko lang is 2,800. Meaning, ang laki pa ng portion, kalahati pa ng port ko, hindi ko pa nagagalaw. So, it's still good to copy me. Hindi pa akong gumagalaw gaano ngayon because of the trade wars. Mamaya na ako maging aggressive if I can see stabilization in the international market. But also diversify to other traders kasi medyo slow ang growth ko while there's trade wars going on. So look for traders who are into forex, commodities. Testing nyo po also yung mga yan. Okay? Ira Rivera, may forex session po ba kayo? Alright, we just discussed about that. Ion and X po. Si X, maganda na may price action yung wait for the pullback and bounce kay X. That would be a best entry point to trade it. Ionix naman. Si Ionix, ganda na support ni Ion eh. Okay? Yeah, buy Ion at the support should you wanna enter Ion. Okay? Ang ganda ng support niya. Buy near support as much as you can for Ion. Market ni RSI niya. So, meaning there's momentum for Ionix at the very least. Meldson, Gerard, Godawen, Tugs po. Masyadong mataas na po si Tugs. We recommended that last week. Dapat doon tayo pumasok. Hindi ngayon na nakaakyat na siya. Naiinggit na tayo. Green din po. Si Green, ganda ng galaw last week eh. Diba? Remember on our last daily grind, sabi ko sa inyo, nasa recommendations ko si Green because of the price action, pero tinanggal ko lang kasi because of the earnings, hindi ko pa alam anong cost niyan. But ayun, umakyat si Green dahil sa price action, diba? Sometimes it's really good to go for technical analysis. Na-miss natin yan, but you can use a breakout strategy for Green should you really wanna get in. But I will stick to my guns. Tatanggalin ko po si Green sa recommendations ko until I will be able to research what's the cost of the second quarter earnings na ang laki na negative. Okay? Price action wise, breakout strategy po for Green. Elizabeth Sanchez, good morning. Please share your insights on best time to sell. Big thanks. Best time to sell. Best time to sell if you're trading is if na-hit na po. Meron akong video about that. That will be a much better video for you to watch. I want you to search for siguro Lloyd Bazar sell. Sell. No. When is the best time to sell? When to sell? Meron ba ako? Short selling. Target profits.
Di ko mahanap. I'll look for that video. But yeah, usually when I sell, pag na-hit na yung risk to reward ratio ko, if my reward ratio is I am targeting 8%, 10%, I already sell half if I see weakness. Okay? Pag na-hit na yung 8%, pwede na ako magbenta. Pero hindi ko pa ibebenta. Right? Pwede na ako magbenta if I hit 8 to 10%. Pero mamaya ko na ibebenta if ever may nakita na akong red sell signal. So I'd sell half of my positions when I see that. So that's usually my sell signal for short-term trading. Lodi, meron ka pong video regarding paano gamitin na MA20. Salamat. Yes, I have a video regarding MA20. It's in just go to my video YouTube channel and then paano ba? Nag-iba kasi to si YouTube ng ng platform eh. Live discussions, show more. Investing guides. Investing guides na playlist ko. The moving average, ayan. Moving average 20 for trading. Nasa playlist ko na investing guides. Okay? So, I think andito rin yung when to sell, pending order, inflation, copy trading, trading patterns, how to use investing, cutting losses, momentum trading, the risk box. Andyan po, just check out my playlist that says investing guides. Andyan po, ang dami nyo pong matututunan dyan. Lahat ng mga guides ko, andyan po. Investing guides na playlist. Okay? Check it out. Ernie Medina, Sir, Lloyd, Tech po. Si Tech, medyo nag-pullback last, di ba? So, we are back to support kay Tech. Ang laki ng volume ng take profits kagad. Ang ganda sana ng climb eh. But this is good. This is good for Tech. You can see that there's divergence in Tech. And we have a possible support here. So, if mag-green yun si Tech, pwede nyo po testingin. Nag-antay lang ako ng green para pwede natin i-discuss. I'll check if pwede bang bilhin kung mag-green yan. Confirmation. Sean Salumbides. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. CHP po. Good to buy ba at this point? Yes, already. We talked about that. LHC from Oliver de Guzman. Yes, bodega nyo na po si LHC. Nakover na natin yan. STV Trader, good morning. ISM is already a buy. Kaso nga lang, medyo mataas na si ISM. Recommended ISM last Friday. Dapat last Friday yung buy niya or was that on Thursday? Basta, na-recommend ko po yun si ISM. I can't remember when. Basta that's last Friday. IRC, technical analysis wise, okay naman yung galaw ni IRC and just wait for the pullback and bounce. Meg, bodega lang kay Meg. Oliver de Guzman, si Apple, very unpredictable because of the trade wars. I cannot recommend it yet. Any thoughts po kay Green? We just discussed about Green. Breakout strategy for Green. Sir, pa-check si ABA. Si ABA, ang taas na eh. Hindi natin nahuli si ABA. 3 straight na climb si ABA. So, I just want ABA to really do a pullback and a bounce before I want to enter ABA. Kung hindi niya akong bigyan, edi wag. Hindi ko po pipilitin. Diba? That's our trading strategy. Kung hindi po kayo bibigyan ng entry point, then don't. Ang dami pong ibang pwede nyo pasukin. ABA, KPPI. KPPI. KPPI, yay. Pababa pa sa KPPI, so stay away from KPPI. Hopefully, wala sa inyo na ipit. Sir, may eToro account na po ako. Paano po malink under sa link sa'yo? Thanks. Arnold Medic, send me a message so that we can check it out. Send me a message, alright, para ma-under natin, para ma-check natin. Meldson Godawen, thanks po, you're welcome. Sir, FLI po, FLI still very good. Pwede nyo pong budegahin pa rin yan. Overall, still very cheap for a good company. So, yeah. Best is wait for a pullback and bounce. Mas maganda po yan for FLI. Actually, breakout na to eh. Yeah, this is already good for FLI. Budegahin nyo na po yan. SSI po. SSI, we're almost done. Alright, SSI, double PI, Mississippi. Ganda ng galaw. Ang ganda galaw ni SSI ah. We have a support for SSI right here. Yeah, you can test out the support of SSI. This is a good find, Mr. T. I'd say yes. So lang medyo shaky ako sa downtrend pa. Can't really see a bottom. But yeah, if you are a risky trader, I'd say yes pa dito. I usually want for a pullback and bounce before I want to enter. But yeah, that's good for for SSI. Zian Valenzuela, last comment po natin ngayon, Primex and IRC, sir. Si Primex, medyo mataas na. MA20 is the best entry point for Primex. Antayin yung pullback and bounce. At least may maliit ang maliit ang risk ninyo. But this is already a very positive sign for Primex after a long consolidation. Mukhang aakyat na yan. IRC, sir. IRC. Si IRC, wait for the pullback and bounce. Alright, so that's it for today. Tomorrow, birthday po ng daughter ko, so most probably we're gonna be having a short lang na daily grind for tomorrow. Bilisan lang natin. Again, summary for AXELUM, yung topic natin ngayon. Ask yourself what your purpose is for investing or buying the IPO of AXELUM. If it's for short-term gains, wag na lang po because you're gonna be gambling. But if ever gusto niyo pong tulungan ng company and invest in it, I'd say yes, it's gonna be a good IPO buy. Okay? Pero konti lang. Okay? But kung gusto niyo ang gains, wag na. Doon na lang sa ibang stocks. Ang dami. Magaganda. See you tomorrow. Let's get rich together. Don't forget to share the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yung promotion po natin. Create an eToro account using my link. Bye po. Let's get rich together.